from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The last session saw the euro gain 0.3% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
Oil prices climbed about 2% on a bigger than expected weekly drop in US crude stockpiles and as a weaker US dollar overshadowed signs of lower economic growth in China. The Nasdaq tumbled more than 2% to a 2-week low, pulled down as mega-cap chip and tech stocks fell on the prospect of tighter China-focused US trade curbs, while the Dow bucked the trend and jumped to a record high. Over 1/3 of the Bitcoin owed to defunct creditors of the Mt. Gox exchange has already been distributed, but large Bitcoin holders continue their buying spree unfazed. More than $9.4 billion worth of Bitcoin is owed to approximately 127,000 Mt. Gox creditors.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
The UK's claimant count change will be released at 6 GMT. Australia's employment change at 1:30 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The Dutch unemployment rate will be released at 4:30 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT. Australia's unemployment rate at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.